Any idea what the surprise is?
No.
No.
Baby goat?
Any other ideas? What?
Canada geese.
Canada geese? That's funny.
A cyan?
Well, we're gonna find out in about 2 minutes. How does that sound?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy. Oh boy. The kids are very excited.
They're so cute.
It's so little. My baby's very mad because she wants to hold a kitten. You're so cute. You're little. You're just itty bitty yet. Here you are. I just didn't run. You just went one.
My finger.
Yeah, she bit me on the drive over too. Stay over here, just don't let them run away. They might be too scared to eat, so don't make them eat. Woo! Woo! Speedy, speedy.
Not almost as fast as me. You mean that's goat smoke? What do you mean that?
Oh, you're gonna fall out of my arms. Kitty. Pretty cute.
I am a horsey. Whoa! Well, she wants to hold it.
Well, I know, but he's gonna scratch her.
So I don't want to let her hold it.
She can pet it when it's in the box. Be gentle. Yeah, be gentle. Good job. Apparently I forgot to close the gate properly. Come on, you guys. What's going on? Let's go back inside.
I got one in.
Guys, why? Come here. Come here. We got one interested. Come on. Oh, we got more interested. Come on. Come on, you're not starving. Watch out. Oh, you. This is why you don't wear sandals outside when you have animals. Okay, ready? Open up the gate. Come on, you guys. Come on. Good job. Perfect. Look at that. Caught the last one. Put her back. So for these cute little monkeys, we have a little boy and a little runty girl. So I will pick names for these guys based off of what you guys suggest in the comments. So, little guy with a white face is a boy, and this little tiny runty one is a little girl. So they're gonna hang out here. Yeah, they're our little barn kitties. Let's put them. So the feed / kidding barn is now also a kitten palace. They look nice and happy and cozy in there. I left that window open so that they can get a breeze as well. All the kiddos are very excited about the kitties. Whew, okay.
Yep, she wanted water.
Be gentle, honey.
But what else do the kittens need?
Nothing. They've got food and water, a litter box, and a cozy places to explore.
Not milk.
They don't need more milk right now. They already had enough.
You're not hungry?
Hi, baby. Little baby boy. He's so cute.
Mom, can I take little pictures of them? Yeah. Mom, can I take pictures?
You're the one who's in here. Are you so mad at me that I brought Kittens home?
I called it.
Definitely did. I'm sorry. I'll put you down. Go get it. Go get it.
She is so tiny.
She's very itty bitty.
I don't think she's 8 weeks old.
Well, they're both the same age, but
Either of them.
no, I think they're probably 7. She's just very small. She's got a big appetite though, so I gave him some goat's milk earlier. I mean, 6 weeks they'll survive. They just need a little bit of extra. A little bit of extra. She's a little bit scrawny. They could probably both do with a dewormer. Might help as well.
Denny's looking better though.
Yeah, he's starting to gain weight finally. Noticeably anyways. Playing in the mess.
There's more than enough left to build a pen.
Okay.